Good morning and happy Monday. I Yesterday's curls, and here's some news. So, little protection. Listen, I got a ton of messages this morning and emails from multiple companies saying that there's people on WhatsApp, Skype, Telegram, Discord, and whatever, pretending to be me, getting, your $625 in Bitcoin or whatever, and doing that whole, scam thing for one-on-one coaching. So I don't typically do this. I am clearly not a video editor. I am a trader and investor, and that's it. But I had to make this video real quick to tell you I don't do one-on-one coaching ever at all. So I have coached a handful of people one-on-one, and that is from many, many years ago. I don't do it now, mostly because it's ineffective and it doesn't create the long-term results that we want to see in trading, right? It's a long-term process. So with that said, those are not me. Please don't pay for that. Please don't listen to that. I do Forex coaching, but I only do it in a class format, and I do it in several different companies across the board. So the only way to get access to me are those companies. Actually, the meeting that you hear right now in the background is me working on getting my own company launched for the website, because I'm not a website designer either. With that said, please, if you're interested in working with me, there's a link tree. The only companies I work with or affiliate myself with are there. They are affiliate links, but then you know that those are me. Nothing else ever is me. Number one. Number two, I will have a site coming in a couple of weeks. If you want to wait on that, by all means. It'll have a membership. You can come in there. Eventually, I'll have a couple of coaches as well. But you have access to all of that. So real me, real messy office. Sorry, it's the real deal. But I've been on Zoom 24 hours pretty much since last Thursday, from first thing in the morning till late at night, in between getting my daughter ready for prom. It's what happens when you're trying to launch or do something big. So this is the real. This is the, yesterday's curls, and not necessarily prepared our best video. But hopefully, me and my partner can get a reasonably edited video for you to show you this as a real thing and something that you can actually count on and bank on. Otherwise, please do your due diligence. Don't pay me or anyone else for one-on-one coaching. It's not a good idea, no matter how great they are, because it takes more than 1 second to learn something. So even if I gave you a strategy, there's so many nuances and management styles and things that go into it. It's a process that you should learn and evolve and grow through. So with that said, happy trading. Please look out for yourself. Don't do one-on-ones. Don't pay for it. And that's it.